Hello! With the new IS1 Plus I/O modules, we now have introduced the most modern I/O level for remote I/O in hazardous areas. In the following, I will give you a short introduction of the new and improved features of IS1 Plus. One of the most important new functionalities is the introduction of so-called multifunctional I/O modules. The 8-channel analog module can be used for input and output signals in any mixture by configuring each channel either as an input or as an output channel. HART is now integrated free of charge for all I/O signals. There is no separate and more expensive module required anymore. The DI/DO module features 16 channels that can be configured in pairs for inputs like contacts or proximity switches and outputs for intrinsically safe low-power solenoid valves. Up to 8 channels can be used as well for frequencies or counters up to 20 kHz or 4 channels as an input with integrated rotation direction detection. These multifunctional modules make the IS1 Plus system more flexible and cost-effective even for smaller systems and lower signal quantities. By reducing the number of versions from 6 to only 2, also the spare part costs are reduced significantly. Some other improvements were possible because of the development of the new low-power technology. The I/O modules can be used for an ambient temperature range of -40 to +75 degrees centigrade, what is pretty unique in the market and extends the possible applications of remote I/O. This comes in combination with a 40% lower energy consumption in average, maybe the first green remote I/O system on the market. All this results in an extended lifetime of the modules. In the past, most remote I/O systems had an average lifetime of approximately 10 years. The new IS1 Plus offers up to 15 years of lifetime. Lower lifecycle cost, reduced total cost of ownership, and just less trouble during the operating time of the system. Also, the diagnostic package was extended. Today, good, reliable diagnostics become more and more important for modern installations. The IS1 Plus modules now come with channel status LEDs for simplified commissioning and troubleshooting. For each channel, a flashing red LED indicates a line failure, such a wire break or short circuit. For the discrete I/O signals, yellow LEDs show the status of the input or output if it's on or off. Inside the modules, we have integrated an extensive diagnostic set based on the so-called NAMUR NE107 with maintenance required and out-of-specification alarming. Very helpful to identify and to fix problems in time. Most flashy feature is the new blue LED that signals an external out-of-specification situation, like for example too high ambient temperature. Even better, all new IS1 Plus modules can evaluate their own lifetime by measuring a lot of internal and external parameters, such as ambient temperature and much more, and calculating out of these the expected real lifetime. 12 months before the end of this life is reached, the blue LED signals a maintenance required, means a "please replace me soon", and the replacement can be organized before any module failure may cause a costly shutdown. The diagnostics information and data is sent to the automation and asset management system as well. And all the process values now come with a status information, similar to field bus process value conditions, telling if a signal value is good or bad. The new IS1 Plus I/O modules are certified for installation in Zone 1 with intrinsically safe I/O for Zone 0 or Zone 1. In addition, a new range of modules is available for installation in a Zone 2, but also with intrinsically safe circuits. Also, this makes IS1 Plus even more cost-effective as before. Finally, the good news for all our existing IS1 customers: all new I/O modules are 100% downward compatible to the existing IS1 modules. No other changes are required. Remove the old module, plug the new module into the slot, running. The IS1 Plus modules are working in a compatibility mode, simulating the old modules with the same functionalities. To use the new IS1 Plus functions, just a simple software upgrade for the CPM or CPU unit is required. Thanks for attending my short introduction of IS1 Plus, the new and innovative I/O level for the leading hazardous area remote I/O system. If you like to know more about the system and if you want to learn about the attractive upgrade conditions from IS1 to IS1 Plus, please contact your local STAHL sales representative or have a look at our website. Thanks and goodbye.